Welcome, in front of me OPPO Reno6 5G, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi on this device. Firstly, you should go to the notification bar and tap on the Wi-Fi icon on the left upper corner. If you want to change that, just tap one more time on Wi-Fi icon and you'll turn off the Wi-Fi on this phone. The second way is to just go to the settings, tap on the Wi-Fi here and tap to this Wi-Fi switcher. Now we will see the available Wi-Fi networks. For example, you can choose this one, and now you can enter the password to connect with this network. Also, if you will tap on the icon so you will see the password over here. So now just tap OK, and now you can see that your Wi-Fi is connected with this network. So if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.